Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Shopify recovery code. So first, you may want to head over to admin.shopify.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the top right corner of your screen, click on your store or my store. Then click on your account or email address. You will then be redirected to the general settings page. And from here, the first thing that you should do is verify your email address. If your email address is still not verified, you should be able to see a warning or note here that says please verify your email address. And once your email is verified, in the left panel, click on security, then scroll down until you get to two-step authentication section. And for you to be able to find and secure your recovery code, you're going to need to turn your authentication methods on. Turn this on, of course, you're going to need to first make sure that you already verified your email address, then proceed by clicking on Turn on Two-Step Authentication. This lets you add a layer of security to your account, and you can also use this to recover your Shopify account in case you forgot your password or don't have any other means to access your account. You can use the recovery codes that you can get from this. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!